There are now almost 200 fires burning in northern Ontario. Hundreds of firefighters, helicopters and water bombers are battling the flames. The fires have prompted evacuation orders for several First Nations, including White Sand, Gull Bay and Collins. The province is now formally asking the federal government to be ready to assist with evacuations. And this here is now a closer look at where those wildfires are burning right now. As of last night, there were 136 active fires in the northwest. The symbols in red show the most extreme fires, and a big concern is the winds. They are coming from the northwest and are fanning the flames that have devastated communities. Environment Canada says wind gusts up to 40 kilometers an hour could last for most of today. Now, one First Nation north of Thunder Bay has been completely destroyed by those fires. The CBC's Cheyenne Desjardins is in the city at a hotel housing evacuees, and she has more on the impact on the community.
A very smoky day here in Thunder Bay. Environment Canada says the smoke from the wildfires is causing poor air quality. The air is thick. There's ash in the sky. The sun is essentially this blood orange color. Now, Thunder Bay isn't under an evacuation order, but people have been urged to pack a 72-hour bag just in case they do need to leave quickly. But right now, the city is kind of serving essentially as an evacuation hub for those communities that have had to evacuate. There's more than half a dozen of them, most of them up north. We're talking about some Indigenous communities, some rural communities as well. Now, those evacuees are spread out in hotels in the city. Some are staying at the university, others are staying in RVs. We did have a chance to speak briefly with some who had evacuated. We caught up with them last night. They told us they don't know how long they're going to be here, but they're really hoping for the best for their communities, keeping their fingers crossed. And there's other places in the region as well that are on alert and told to be ready to leave if they do have to go. Right now, there are roughly 150 wildfires burning in Ontario, and we're hoping for updates throughout the day about the efforts to contain them. We do know that last night, the Prime Minister posted on social media saying our government is in close contact with provincial, municipal, and Indigenous partners and stands ready to provide additional support as needed. And we've just heard the province has issued a formal request to the federal government for assistance, which could include the deployment of Canadian Armed Forces. Cheyenne Desjardins, CBC News, Thunder Bay.